That's cool. Yeah, I labeled them last weekend. Yeah, I said something about the eggs disappearing to Bill, so they didn't disappear this weekend, or this week. I was like, strange things have been happening lately. Actually, strange things have been happening for a while.
Hi, baby kitties.
But yeah.
Those are the two friendly ones.
Yeah.
No, you can't have that.
Yeah, this bald eagle one, she gets mad.
In that one.
Oh, well. I don't know if John's going to want them or not. Oh, yeah, okay. So all those eggs are still there. If a snake or a raccoon would have came and got them, they would have got those. Well, raccoon would have done worse, but if it was a snake, it would have got those ones and not these ones, yeah. So it had to have been a human.
See, this is much even better. There's 2 more eggs.
Yeah. Whoa!
I didn't check on her. I don't want to bother her. There's 2.
I know. That's the diatomaceous earth. We're not supposed to breathe that. That keeps all the mites down. All right, so we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're missing 1. It's the gray hen. Oh, the gray hen and another cinnamon. Because I had 13 and it's 14 counting David's. This one here is David's. It's a chicken. Yeah. It's a scaredy cat chicken. Yeah. This rooster is a chicken. He's always been a scaredy cat. John's gonna come in a couple hours. Also, period, half of these hens are broody. Period. I've been trying to get them to hatch out their eggs. But so far we've been unsuccessful. period. I don't know if you want them to be broody or if you want to incubate, period. But I've been labeling the eggs, period. All but 3 of the chickens are at or near the coop, period. I'll let you know when they're ready. Okay, that was a typo voice text, but I don't see any chickens down here. Doesn't mean they're not, but I don't see any. Heck, I'm surprised they're not down here eating the remainder of the goat food. But I did plant a bunch of seed in the second goat yard last weekend. I don't see any. Yeah, but they could be anywhere. No, I don't think they are. They're probably in the hayfield. They're somewhere around here. But there's only 6 now, so less of a problem. When Charlotte gets her 2, if Charlotte gets her 2, then yeah, there'll only be 4. Be less of a problem. Yeah. They do like to hang out over here by this other gate. There he is. Oh, you mean the chickens? Not this chicken? Instead of a black sheep, he's a black chicken.
It's only 5.
I know.
Nope, there's one. Cinnamon. That's so there's a gray hen. Make sure she's still alive. She's broody, so she's precious. Oh, he is. I just texted him letting him know that I'll let him know when they're ready. I said all but 3 are in or near the coop. So now it's all but 1 or 2. Because the chicken rooster.
It don't go.
Well, he ran off over in here somewhere. He's going to just because David's stuff's over there anyway. So David's chicken might as well be over there too. I mean, it's the only rooster. I mean, he killed all the rest of his chickens died and roosters. So it's the only rooster he has left.
Well, they'll be going in.
Buck, 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 buck.
David, he's start up the grill and cook these things.
That's the wrong thing.
No.
Yeah.
We cooked them before and they tasted fine.
No, that's something different.
Not the same thing.
Oh, yeah, no, I think we did. We skinned it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Skinned it and ate it. Remember that was really good?
No.
I liked it.
I like it in a juice. Stick it in a juicer. When I get electricity at Kaplinger, we can start juicing these. But that'll probably be next year because they're almost past their due date.
So start
Thistles,
collecting them.
you should juice them. That's the best way to eat them. Like this one here, this is gonna be fat, juicy. This one's fat and juicy. Basically, cut it, and before it, well, ideally before it goes to flour, and then, yeah, you just stick it in the juicer. You know, use a pair of gloves. But skin it the best you can, and then run it through a juicer. It's a good juice. But yeah, you can cut that and peel the skin back, and just eat the core.
Oh yeah.
But you better get some gloves, because they are thistly. Prickly pear. Prickly pear is good for you too. Candy.
She found out I'll pet her, and so now she's like, yeah.
Love me tender, love me sweet. Yeah, Candy loves attention. They all love attention. What am I talking about?
Except for Mikey Donna.
Mikey Donna.
I haven't seen Mikey though.
Little
I've seen
kitten,
Donna.
yeah. Kitten, yeah. Yeah, the orange one runs from you. No, I mean the little orange
Oh
one.
yeah, the little orange is just like Donna and Donnie.
Yeah, that one's adorable. So, drought resistant farming. So you take things like this, put it in the bottom of lick tubs that have holes or cracks in them. Take the lids off, of course. Fill the whole bottom with these bottles, glass, plastic, whatever, and then cover it up with dirt. Well, you fill them up with water first. Cover it up with dirt, and this whole bottom becomes a water reservoir.
Because when it rains, it goes down in there.
Yeah. So the roots will go down to where there's enough water, but not too much. And they won't get root rot. Well, the ones that grow too far might, but they won't get root rot because it's not flooding it. You know, the water's draining out through the bottom or the side, but the water's being retained in those bottles. And so the roots will go where they want to go to get the proper moisture that they need.
And they find water.
Yeah. So it's just like a reserve, you know.
Yeah.
So if you have a bigger tub, you know, you can put 55-gallon buckets in the bottom of it.
Right.
You know.
And it'll grow down to it.
Yeah, like if you do a raised bed garden and it's like this high, you can put or you can put these in the bottom, or cut those barrels like that one in half, straight up and down, and put those in the bottom. But if you do that, I'd put logs in the bottom as well, because the logs will act as a sponge.
And then put dirt.
And then put your poop, and then you put your compost, and then you put your dirt. Poop does the veggies good. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. I'm gonna miss you, Rusty, even though you don't like me anymore. You used to be my best friend. He's like, I have to make sure I have my alphaness for the lettuce. You're gonna have a new home tonight. Yeah.
Squirrels down there and beat them. Quit.
All right. Rusty's got one on his back. Oh, there's my opportunity. The other chicken jumped out. Check her eggs. Oh yeah, she's sitting on a nice batch. That one's labeled. That one's not. Alright, I'm gonna label these. Alright. Got those labeled. I'm gonna take this bag now. It's trying. I think it's stuck on one of his teeth.